Namaste students. Today I am going to discuss rest part of indicators, that is olfactory indicator, olfactory indicator and pH paper or universal indicator. So first of all we start olfactory indicator, olfactory indicator. Students, the term olfactory, the term olfactory relating in the sense of smell. This indicator identify the nature of acidic or basic material by smell. So we can define olfactory indicator as indicator in which the smell of acidic or basic solution, indicator in which the smell of acidic or basic solution changes or retain is known as olfactory indicator. Indicator in which the smell of acidic or basic solution changes or retains is known as olfactory indicator, because the term olfactory means in the sense of smell. That means when we add olfactory indicator in either acidic or basic solution, the smell changes or not changes identify the nature of acidic or basic material. Examples onion extract, vanilla extract, clove oil, etc. Students, in acidic solution, these above olfactory indicator retain its smell. When these olfactory indicators are added into acidic solution, it retains its smell. That means the smell of The onion extract, vanilla extract, and clove oil are not changes. While in basic solution, the smell of olfactory indicators vanishes. That means the smell of olfactory indicator changes, that is disappears. So olfactory indicator retains its smell in acidic solution and disappear in smell in basic solution. However, we are not using this indicator as in laboratory due to different problems. In activity 2.2 of NCRT book, this indicator are given in activity 2.2 of the NCRT book. Activity 2.2. Now we have to learn about pH paper or universal indicator. Students, here we write a new term pH, where this small p is derived from German word potenge, P-O-T-E-N-Z, means power. P is derived from German word potenge, means power, that is power of H. And in chemistry, power means concentration of H, and concentration of H means amount of H ion, H plus ion, amount of H ion present in solution of acidic, basic or neutral materials. Concentration of H, that means concentration of hydrogen. H stands for hydrogen, and in solution form it dissociates into H plus and OH minus, and this hydrogen ion. This is hydrogen ion. So pH paper explain about hydrogen ion concentration in the solution form of acidic, basic or neutral materials. So we use pH paper to identify acidic, basic or neutral nature of the material. So first of all, we define pH paper or universal indicator. Universal indicator is the mixture of different indicators. Universal indicator is the mixture of different indicators which gives different color at their different pH values. Universal indicator is the mixture of different indicators which gives different colors at their different pH values. Students, pH value ranges from 0 to 14, and it is given in your NCERT book. Activity 2.11. In figure 2.7, in which there are different chemical substances and their different pH values, and on the basis of their different pH values their colors are different, and by color we can identify the nature of given substance, either acidic, basic or neutral. So once again I define universal indicator is the mixture of different indicators which gives different colors at their different pH values. And what is pH and what is pH value will be discussed later when we come to the point pH and its application. So here only I discuss about pH paper universal indicator, and this universal indicator is the mixture of different indicators which gives different color at their different pH values, and by this indicator we can identify not only the nature of chemical substances but also we know about we know about the strength of chemical substances. Strength means power, and power means concentration of H ion. And more details knowledge about this term will be given in next lecture. So here we only know about different types of indicator, and we have discussed about different types of indicators: natural indicator, synthetic indicator, olfactory indicator, and pH paper or universal indicator, in which universal indicator is most appropriate indicator, because this indicator not only the identify the nature of chemical substances, but also it tells about the strength of chemical substances. That is, it tells about acidic, basic, or neutral material, as well as their strength. This acid either strong or weak. This base is strong or weak. That means it tells about nature as well as strength of acidic basic material. That's why it is most appropriate in comparison to other indicators. So students, prepare notes, and next lecture we will discuss about acid and their types. Thank you.